Hi students. In the last class, we have solved some numericals based on electricity. So today we will be solving more numericals based on current, voltage and resistance. So let us start. Question number 7 is, when a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. But we have to calculate the resistance. So what is given here? Given V is given, that is 12 volt, and I is given, so 2.5 milliampere. Here everyone will make a mistake. So the current is in milliampere. You need to convert that into ampere. So how to convert that? 2.5 into 10 power of minus 3 ampere will be the current value. Now it is easy for us to calculate. We have the equation V is equal to IR. So we need to calculate the resistance. So R is equal to V divided by I, which is equal to 12 volt divided by 2.5 into 10 power of minus 3. Or R is equal to 12 divided by 2.5. So we are taking this 10 power of minus 3 to the numerator. So it will become 10 power of plus 3. So what is the answer here? 4.8. 12 divided by 2.5 gives you 4.8 into 10 power of 3 ohm. Or you can convert this into kilo ohm. That is 4.8 kilo ohm. That is the R value. Next question is, a copper wire has a diameter 0.5 millimeter and resistivity 1.6 into 10 power of minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is double? Given diameter D is equal to 0.5 millimeter. We need to convert this into meter. That is 0.0005 meter or 0.5 into 10 power of minus 3 meter. And rho is given, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 8 ohm meter. And we need to calculate the length here. And resistance value is given 10 ohm. This is the first part. The second part, how much does the resistance change if the diameter is double? So if diameter is double, so let us take that resistance value as R1. Okay. So let us calculate the length. So we have the equation R is equal to rho L divided by A. Or from this, we can calculate length is equal to RA divided by rho. So we have L is equal to, we know the value of R, 10 ohm. But what is area? Area is nothing but the area of cross section of the wire. So we can calculate the area, that is R into pi R square divided by rho. But what is pi R square? R is not given, but what we have the diameter. So R times, there is a relation connecting radius and the diameter. It's nothing but diameter divided by 2 gives you what? The radius divided by rho. Substitute the values here. 10 times pi is 3.14 value. And diameter, we know that 0.0005 divided by 2 whole square divided by 1.6 into 10 power of minus 8. If we calculate this value, we get it as 1 122.72 meter will be the length. So we need to calculate the resistance when D is doubled. So do diameter will be is equal to what? 1 millimeter, which is equal to 0.001 meter. Now we have new resistance value. Take it as R1, rho L divided by A. So which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 8 times the value of length is divided by 122.72 divided by pi value times 0.001 divided by 2 whole square. If you calculate this, the R value will be 2.5 ohm.